In this tutorial, we'll address the issue of Messenger's search conversation function not working. Before delving into the solutions, remember to show your support by leaving a like. I suggest watching the entire video before attempting the fixes. Firstly, let's try logging out of your Messenger account and then logging back in. To do this, open the Messenger app and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From there, navigate to Settings, then scroll down and select Password and Security. Next, tap on Password and Security again, followed by Where you're logged in. Choose your account and proceed. Scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out, then select All Devices and log out. Confirm the action by tapping Log Out once more. Once logged out, ensure that your Messenger app is up to date by checking the App Store for any available updates. If there are updates, install them before logging back into your Messenger account. If the problem persists, consider refreshing the Messenger app. Begin by accessing your device's settings. Then tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Locate Messenger among your installed apps, then tap on Offload App to free up space. Afterward, tap on Reinstall App to reinstall Messenger. If refreshing the app doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to delete and reinstall Messenger entirely. Press and hold on the Messenger app icon until it begins to jiggle, then tap on the cross icon to remove the app. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete App. Restart your device before proceeding to download Messenger again from the App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and log into your account. Now, check if the problem with the search conversation feature has been resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Finally, if none of the previous methods worked, you might consider deleting and reinstalling Messenger. To do this, press and hold on the Messenger app icon until it jiggles, then tap on Remove App and confirm by tapping Delete App. After uninstalling Messenger, restart your device before re-downloading the app from the App Store. Once downloaded, open Messenger and log into your account. That concludes our tutorial. I hope one of these solutions has resolved your issue. If so, don't forget to like this video. For more helpful content, consider subscribing to our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.